mo hye mara bebre na o from a chair na we say madwuma na even though and they want a spiritual implication but maybe the man say my point and say oh spiritual implications na wo be man ko bo adwaman ni it is what ko bo adwaman ni bi
ani man ni nyina so what is say
farmer speaker no farmer
even see anko
Marcos Ready na sem na okan no enya no kre the book of Proverbs ekire asotwe oba se ofa ukunachi a ewunya very serious than bema the book of Proverbs metra na menya
not just a bema no there not just say even say
no a Bible encourage say o say bema ofa wirechi
that's it
but so oba ofa ukunachi a all punishment is very severe than Bema. No,
not just a money now. You punish him there.
Yes, but Obadi and no shit. In fact, the book of Proverbs.
It's not just saying I say judge mama.
No, I say Bible cassette here say Oba Bema befa oirechi.
That's right.
So I say worry ni pane they are fine. But say o fanechi there no. But say make say Oba so ofa ukunachi a. The book of Proverbs. The
repercussions, you know.
Yes,
serious.
A punishment no, a very serious than say Bema akofa wachi.
Eti ati say even as say ono person just say the lady make say asotwe bia ono aye ni pedua bone ade ono e emphatic statement say Bible I can categorically say oba fa ne kunu achi a asotwe e wo ho ma no unlike say no go to progress no so be pay that quotation ade amai me Marco
oh yeah
yes I know the audience no embe witness yeah
no abaka say no me neba
na madwuma say oba bia na wo ho makura no oba bia nti obia mu no wo kwa ewu so de be
so
na wo de anya no me na
de wo fa wo yire chi ana wo kuna chi ono so fa wo de chi a wo so ye kom da mo ware
in biblical